Welcome to our vlog. And for today's video, we are going to make puto.
Why you make puto again all the time?
So join us to our kitchen and let's make puto. Hi and welcome to my kitchen. So for today's video, I am going to make steamed puto. So let's start. For the ingredients, I have here 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour sifted, 1 cup of white sugar. I have here also baking powder, and I will be needing 1 tablespoon of this. I have 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, any brand, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I will be needing 1/4 cup melted butter. We also have here water, and I will be needing 1.5 cups of water, 1 large egg, and of course, for the topping, we need cheese. And also, we need this puto molder and a steamer. So let's begin. So let's just going to combine all the ingredients. Let's start from the wet ingredients. So I have here the water, which is 1.5 cup. The melted butter. 1 large egg. Just mix it all together. And we can add the sugar. I have here the flour, milk, salt, I'm going to sift the baking powder, 2 tablespoons. And the vanilla. And let's just sift this. See, there's a lot of lumps. Okay, and then just mix it all together. Until it will be smooth. Just like this. See? It's smooth. I just need to strain this one so that to be sure that there is no lumps left. Okay. So I'm going to strain this mixture to make sure that there are no lumps left, because I want a smooth puto. There you go. Okay. Nice. Now it's surely it is smooth. So let's set this aside and let's start steaming. Now, let's start steaming. So, I have a steamer here and I'm just going to... Actually, I already placed some here in the molder. The butter and the strips of cheese. I will show you later how I do or how I place it. So I'm just going to place it here and then we're just going to put the fire in a low heat, and then this cover I usually put or cover this with a towel so that the water will not going to drip to the puto mixture. And we're going to steam this one for 7 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes, it depends on you. So let's see and wait the finished product. And now we have the finished product. So what I did, the next batch, I didn't add the cheese yet. I steamed it for a while. I cooked for a while, around 3 minutes, and then after that one, I add the cheese on top so that it will not sink, just like what happened to this one. But anyway, the texture is really nice. It's soft. Let's open one. Look at this one. Wow! That's all for today, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye! Hi! Welcome to my vlog. I will be speaking in English for my English speaking viewers.